Do you want to send photos to someone on Messenger, but you get this kind of pop-up message? I'll show you how to give Messenger access to your photos, and I'll first show it on an iPhone, and then I'll show you the steps on your Android device. Let's hop over to our settings, and now we need to locate the Facebook Messenger application. So scroll all the way down, locate the Apps section, and then open it. This is going to give us a list of all the different apps which we have installed on our device, and let's find an Open Messenger from this list. Here it is for me, so I will quickly open this and then find the Photos option. This is the photo permission, and yours was probably set to None, so just set this to either Limited Access or allow the app to get full access to your photos. This is how we do it on iPhone. The steps for your Android are pretty similar. Just open the Settings app on your device. Locate the Apps section, which will also have a list of apps that we have installed on our Android device. After that, you're going to search for Messenger and open it. This should give us some options related to the app, and we will tap on the Permissions section and then find the Photos permission, allow it, and that is essentially it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.